Okay, here's the last one. Alrighty, I changed the numbers, the same thing. So we're establishing a petty cash of 150. The amount in the petty cash is now $40. These are our receipts, 20, 15, and 15. I gave you a check figure here, and the check figure kind of gives it all away. But first you establish the account, 150, 150. Then we look at all the expenses and write those down. Okay, so that was 20, 15, and 15. It comes to $50. The very first thing you should look at, though, is $50, $150. I have $40 left, so uh, I should need, or I do need, to put in $110. Let's see if that makes sense to you. Okay, if I have 150, I have 40 left, and I need to get back up to 150. I would have to deposit $110. Now, this may be confusing right here. As I looked at the test, it didn't look quite right. So that may have confused a lot of people. But if you went by this number, if you didn't even look at this, okay? If you said replenish, that means cash should have been 110. I would have put these in. So that's $50. So this does not balance, right? This is $50. This is $110. I need to have $60 over on the credit side. So I think I confused some people right here because that may have been the wrong number. And so what you wanted to go with was this replenish figure, and that replenish figure is 192.20. So you would have immediately taken that 122.90 or 192.20 and put it here, put in what we have for expenses, and then subtract the difference and put it in as a debit. I hope that helps. We may have to talk about that in class.